So, well, it's done. One more trade is closed with profit. So we have 1,061 bucks on the account. Okay, so we closed it with profit and we have 1,500. Finally, what do we have? First of all, according to the MUD USD currency pair, price is growing with the sharp upgoing channel. Now I'm changing our investment to $90. And I'm opening the buy position as a continuation of the current growth, because as you can see, when you have a growth like this, very sharp one, without any downgoing correction, it's better just to follow the trend and not to sell the asset right now, because you are highly likely to fuck up. So that's why just follow the trend, you open buy position, and when finally you see that the price was stopped by the resistance line zone and we are touching it several times without successful breakthrough, so that's why after this, according to the master bounce strategy, you can try to open sell position with a short stop loss. If it works, fine. If it doesn't work, okay, you once again open buy position and the continuation of the current growth, and you thrive on this. Very simple. Now, we're just waiting for the time to run out to see the result of this trade. Just several seconds left, and we will see what we will get from this trade. Done. So we have $205 on the account right now. Let me go to the GPI. Fine, let's change our investment to $130 and let's open buy position here. Why did we do this? We had a false breakout from the flat channel. The price almost has broken through the support line zone, but finally we got back inside the flat channel. So that's why we can consider this breakthrough to be the false one, and this brings us to the decision that now we're still in the growing trend and price will be growing towards the upper edge of the current flat channel. So that's why I have opened buy position here, investing our $130. So it's done. One more trade is closed with profit and we have around $325 on the account and we are ready to move forward. Well, let me open ADCNI. According to this chart, we are moving once again in the flat channel. Now we are currently hitting the resistance line zone. And as I see, we're highly likely to finally break through it. So that's why I have already opened buy position, listing our $150 here. And I'm looking forward to break through it. So it's done. We have $463 on the account. So let's proceed further. Okay, so here, as I see, we're at the beginning of the declining channel, and I am opening sell position right now immediately in order not to waste time. $250 I invested right now, so let's wait and see. By the way, my friends, while I'm waiting for the result of this trade, don't forget to open description to this video and subscribe to my private TG, where you will get access to the best trading signals, analytics, educational materials, and much more stuff that will help you to become professional and experienced trader. And moreover, if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each day. So don't waste your time, do this right now, get your cash daily, and be in my dream team. Link in the description. Okay, my friends, now we just need to wait for several seconds left and see the result of this trade. And yep, it's successful. We have $693 on the account. Let's move further. Okay, let me check ADCNI. According to this currency pair, we are moving in the downgoing channel with a small upgoing corrections, but now the price is reversing, so that's why I decided to open buy position and wasting our $400, because according to the chart that I observe right now, price was stopped by strong support line zone. We could not break through it. And according to the master balance strategy, I decided to open buy position here. So, well, it's done. One more trade is closed with profit, and we have $1,061 on the account. Let me open MAD USD. So what do we have here? First of all, let me open buy position, because we have broken through the resistance line zone and now price is growing as fuck. So we have $1,061 on the account. I think we have enough time to open one more trade. Let me open buy position once again on the same chart. And yep, I do this because I'm almost sure in this trade. The last trade was not successful, unfortunately, but still we have broken through the resistance line zone. We are not going down, we are not receiving the pullback reaction. It does not look like a false breakout, and according to the Parabolic SAR and ADX, we're in a strong buy zone. So that's why, of course, the only way we can trade this pair right now is just to buy it. That's what I'm doing right now. Okay, so we closed it with profit and we have $1,567 on the account. This is an amazing result because, as you remember, we started with just $123 on the account, so we multiplied our balance in 10 times more. And if you want to have the same results like me, join my WAP channel right now, link for which you can find in the description to this video. Do this and be with me. See you all and bye bye.